there, friends! Today, we're talking about feelings.
Yeah!
Sometimes our feelings are like popcorn, popping all over the place. Happy, sad, angry, and even super silly. But guess what? All feelings are normal, even the grumpy ones. So hop with me into the world of emotions with science, smiles, and fun facts. Happy, happy, happy. When you're happy, your brain throws a party with dopamine and serotonin. You smile like sunshine. Happy brains are healthy brains. Sad, sad, sad. Angry, angry, angry. Scared, scared, scared. When you're scared, your heart goes boom, boom. But sometimes it's just your imagination. Being scared means your body is protecting you. Love, love, love. Embarrassed, embarrassed, embarrassed. Excited, excited, excited. When you're excited, you jump like popcorn. Your brain is saying, this is gonna be awesome. Excitement is energy with sparkles. Bored, bored, bored. Bored? Your brain is sleepy and saying, let's do something new. Boredom is the beginning of creativity. Calm, calm, calm. Calm feels like floating on a cloud. Soft, slow, and peaceful like a turtle in yoga class. Calm minds can solve big puzzles. Confused? 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 That means your brain is growing. It's okay to not know. It means you're learning. Confusion is the first step to understanding. Wow! We just went on an emotional adventure. Now we know why we feel happy, sad, or even, I don't know what this is. See you next time, Emotion Explorers. And remember, you are amazing, every feeling and all.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning, because more awesome lessons are waiting for you every week. Bye-bye.